Hello everyone. Welcome to this series of Instagram marketing, which is basically a part of social media marketing, as I have said in the earlier videos. Basically, Instagram marketing is a very trending field, and basically it's a new one for India, not for other countries as well. Means basically using of Instagram to market your products and services is a very great option to upscale your businesses and to scale your revenue itself. So, how Instagram marketing works? Basically, when you're going to work with Instagram marketing, you have to keep in mind certain things. Instagram is a part of Facebook itself. Instagram ads are being set up from Facebook Ads Manager that I will show you in the very next video of it, the practical implementations. Here in this video, I'm going to share some strategies, some secrets, strategies and secrets that will be helping you to enhance your business or to upscale your products and services across Instagram. You could have seen when you have browsing Instagram, you could have seen that some ads are coming in stories. Sponsored is written sponsored. Eventually in watch, some video ads are coming or picture ads are coming written sponsored. Even in your timeline of Instagram, that news feed used to say in Facebook, they also will see that some sponsored ads are coming. The sponsored sections are known as Instagram marketing. Basically, in today's generation, there are a large amount of youth. Basically, youth of the country is present in Instagram, and to promote your services, products on that platform where Indian youths are vividly been present. They're saying their photos, graphics, personal pictures, and everything. Means they're very active youths in Instagram. So if you're going to sell your products and services, if you're going to promote your products and services on Instagram, that is going to bring about huge amount of revenue for you. Here in this session today, I'm going to tell you that what are the strategies you can adopt for a better Instagram marketing and how to do Instagram marketing, that I will show you in the next video, that is a practical implementation using Facebook Ads Manager. So let's dive in. The very first topic is, let's start with the beginning. Why you should be on Instagram? With almost 1 billion monthly active users, today it is more even than that of it. Instagram is officially the second most popular social network behind Facebook. After Facebook, Instagram is the second most biggest social media platform. You can use Instagram to grow your traffics and not your just of your follower count. You can grow traffic of your website using Instagram. Then it is you could have seen that there is a personal account, there is a business account. If you go to your Instagram application, in the sidebar if you open, then you can see that upgrade to a business account you're going to see. So what are the pros of a business account? In business account you get a contact button, contact now with email address, maybe with phone number. Contact button you will get address and location you can display, follows analytics you can so ads capabilities you can enhance. You can enhance your ads also. But pros of a personal account, it is a private setting is present, higher organic reach is there. Organic reach means without paying any money, your site will be, your account will be reached to many people without paying any money. It's known as higher organic reach. Then ability to connect multiple Facebook pages and profiles. With the help of Instagram, you can connect many Facebook pages and profiles also. Suppose a same story which I'm going to share, I can share the same story in Facebook as well. So it is the pros of a personal account and the pros of business account. Now, here comes the strategies. When you're going to promote your product, suppose you can see a picture over here. This picture. Head sofa set is there. Here is maybe a print on demand T-shirt is there. Phone cases are there. There's some exercise related devices there, and some sort of other products are there. Then consistent colors you have to use. We'll see. Using of colors should be done in a very proper way, because people are addicted to blue, red. So using of this sort of colors can enhance your customers to click on your ad and to go to your website and eventually purchase from it. So using of proper colors is very essential, and your account should display one type of colors only. What one type of colors? Suppose I have a account with my name Anurag Lala. If you open my account, you will see that all the ads that I used to give, all the content which I'm going to post over there, it's of same colors. Colors are same for all the things. So if there is a unique color, suppose you're going to open Flipkart right now, you go open your mobile phone after this video, search for Flipkart in Instagram. You will see that the all the posts that Flipkart does from the official account, it's of blue color. So there is a consistent colors are essential to catch your customers' eyes over there. Your followers want to know what you expect. What to expect means, suppose I'm going to follow your account, then I must know that what all stuff I'm going to get from you. Understanding? Suppose I'm going to follow your account, but I should know that what sort of stuffs I'm going to follow. Suppose if you're going to follow me on Instagram, you will get contents with digital marketing, with social media marketing, affiliate marketing, and digital world and or regarding these things. So as a follower, you know that if I'm going to follow Anurag Lala, you are going to get, I will be getting contents regarding digital marketing. So your followers must know that what you are going to provide to them. Then bring your brand voice to Instagram. Means what is your brand? Your brand must come to Instagram. Then the next video is about next slide. People buy, know, like, and trust people over brands. Pulling back the curtains and getting a little highlighted with the people behind your brand can go a long way where you are forgetting emotional connections with your followers. If you have an emotional connections with your followers, suppose if anyone follows me on Instagram and they're going to send me some message that like I don't understand social media marketing, how it is being done, then I will guide them. So what? When I am replying to their messages, I am making a connection with these people. So they will also feel a emotional touch with me. So this is very important to get your brand at the intermediate level. Suppose if today we started a business, I have to connect with people. If people wants to connect with me, I have to reply to their queries, to their messages, because it will enhance the brand reputation. Yes, this is a person, this is a business that is basically towards the customers. It is customer oriented, means it's going to help the customers. Even those customers who are not going to pay you anything, just for simple inquiry it may be, or it may be for some suggestions, you have to give it in the intermediate stage to make an emotional touch with the customer, so that when next time you are going to promote your products and services over there, so they are more likely to see what you are going to promote or what you are going to sell. They will likely to see, because that particular customer has already made an emotional touch with you. So it's very important. Then it comes to the having a bunch of followers on your personal account, but you're trying to start a fresh new Instagram account for your brand. Link up with that new account with an at the rate of tag of your personal followers. I can click over it and get to follow your brand too. Suppose what is it? Suppose today I have my Instagram account with my name Anurag Lala. If suppose I want to start a new account with the name ABC Limited, then I have suppose 10,000 followers. Now I want some followers in my brand account also, which is basically a business account. So what I shall do, whenever I will be publishing any post or I will be giving any post on Instagram, I will simply make an at the rate of hashtag with a follow symbol. Suppose if I will give a post and at a down I will write follow this account with my post. This is very important section. I have my personal account. I will be posting a particular content over there, like that, like digital marketing, and I will write at a down. Please follow at the rate of ABC Limited for more contents. So what is the thing? My personal followers, who are my personal followers, what they will do? They will just see that post. Okay, this particular person which I am following him, he has opened a new account where he is going to share something more interesting. So I will be more likely to follow that particular new account as well. So I will click on the particular post at the down at that at the rate of ABC Limited. I will click as a follower and I will follow your new account as well. So it is very important, means with your personal account, you have to link your new account, and whatever post you are going to give in your personal accounts which is likely to be seen by a lot of people, there you just give an at the rate of hash, at the rate of symbol, where you are going to promote your additional account as well. So it is very important. Now it is the algorithm that works. Algorithm is the basic fundamental that works over here. See, interest. The very first is that how much Instagram predicts that you care about a post, with high ranking for what matters to you, determined by past behavior or similar content, and potentially machine vision analyzing the actual content of the post. It's very easy. It is written in a very complex way. But the first step that you have to create an interest among your followers. You have to create interest among your followers. Yes, if I'm going to share something interesting of mine, then you are more likely to click on that particular Instagram ad, or you are more likely to like my post. So to create interest among yourself, suppose if I'm going to start a POD business, that is print on demand, what I shall do, I shall be posting some photos in such a way, maybe memes also, that you will feel interested. No, I should also start POD business and I should take coaching from this particular person and I shall buy his course. So you have to create interest, the very first thing. Second thing is what? Recency. How recent your post was shared. Your post should be shared recently, because the older posts are less likely to be clicked by people, because they will see the first post itself. Whenever an account opens, the very first posts are more likely to be seen by people. Then relationship, as I said beforehand, you have to make a relationship with people, higher ranking for people you have interacted with a lot of time passed on Instagram. It's the same thing that I said just before, that you have to create a relationship with the people who are going to message you, who are following you. You have to create a relationship with them, so that from next time whenever you are going to promote something or post anything, they are more likely to use it. Then research big companies in your industry. Suppose your industry is electronics industry, research big companies. Suppose to be more specific, if your industry is suppose e-commerce, then select, then research about big companies like Flipkart, Amazon, what they are using, what the strategies they are basically using to promote their content. You have to use that type of strategies here. Then it comes to have a physical store or a product. If you have a physical store also, you have to create a business account with that physical store name. See, in the first video of digital marketing, as I have said, the business which is not online is not exist in today's generation. You have to create a website for that, and regarding that website you have to promote through Instagram as well. Then it comes to what do I post on Instagram. Take something, share hot tips and fun facts about your products and services. Suppose I will select about digital marketing, I will give a post like this year this particular person had earned 10 crores from digital marketing. So it is hot tips and fun facts, cross promotion, and encourage engagement. You have to encourage engagement with people that yes, suppose a post like as I'm saying, the next billionaire is you, like a cross symbol you can give, a hand symbol that the next billionaire is you. So this type of post people will be encouraged to click on or even like you, and even they are going to follow your account as well. Then consistency tip Tuesday. What is tip Tuesday? Suppose it is tip, today is Wednesday, I think so. Today is Wednesday. I will give a hashtag tip of Wednesday. Tip of Tuesday means consistency means what? Every day you have to share content. Every day sharing of content is very essential. Product updates. People may not read every email you send. You have to update your products. New feature alert. These types of catching emails. When you're going to send a particular post in Instagram, if you're going to share a particular post in Instagram, you have to give catchy this sort of things must be there. This sort of content must be there, like new feature alert, new products on your destination. These types of posts can be given. Then through leadership, you are the most unique part of your business. You have to create a leadership among the people who are going to follow you. That yes, my followers have the capacity to do that particular stuff. That you can do that stuff through leadership. It is very important. Means you have to create a leader among your followers as well, that they can be successful in that project if they will take my course or if they're going to follow me like this. Then it is making numbers visuals. Don't use that I have trained more than 1000 people. I have trained 1065 people. So numbers visual means people feel authentic, followers feel authentic. No, this person is saying correct, he has trained 1065 people till now. So it creates an authenticity among the customers, among your followers. So makes numbers visual. Then it is human readability and tagging. Never underestimate the power of smile. You have to always smile at that tagging section. You have to give similes over there to encourage your people, to encourage the followers to subscribe. Then it's behind the scene, your followers get something others don't. See, it's something different from Instagram marketing. What is behind the scenes? Behind the scene basically means what? That you must meet with your followers if it's possible for you. If the followers are living nearby your location, you can meet with your follower and can organize a small discussion in your office or even in your house even, and you can give those photos in Instagram so that more people will going to follow you. Since you are meeting your followers live, if you want to meet with me in live, I will be there at Asansol, and I will come to meet you, and I will let you know everything you know about social media marketing in free. And eventually I will click a photo over there, I will post on Instagram, that is more likely to attract many followers to my account as well. Then reviews, you have to give social proof that yes, this particular person has used my Instagram growth mastery program or my courses, and this is the testimonials, social proofs you have to give to engage your customers. Then it is contest. Instagram hashtag is very important. Suppose if I'm going to publish something about Instagram marketing, I will give hashtag Instagram marketing, Instagram, follow on Instagram, Instagram this that. So the hashtagging is very important. Often we ignore it, but it's very essential. It's very essential. Then blog, give your blog in your post. Suppose you want to write about, suppose the impact of business after COVID-19. You have given a post on Instagram, but Instagram people don't have time so much to read. So at the down you give to read more, click abclimited.com/the impact of COVID-19. So attract the people towards your blog so that they will come to your blog and they will read whatever you have shared in your blog. Or even if you have shared something about a product in affiliate marketing series, I have said that in the making of the content, the contents are visuals. That contents can be easily been read by the people. Only people will go to your site. So it's a very good way to promote your people, to promote the people, your followers, to go to your blogs or your sites as well, because blogging is very essential. Then why evergreen promotion on Instagram? Evergreen promotion, why we will do same thing, 2 million blog posts at least in every day, create multiple images for one blog post. You know what your hook or follower or what they have time to read. So evergreen promotion means what? Evergreen promotion means those promotions that will never be old, that will never turn old. Suppose in today's era where there is COVID-19, if I'm going to post something about COVID-19, then it's a trending post, it's a trending content. But if I'm going to post something like best songs of 2020, it's an evergreen post. It will, every time it will be the same thing. So you have to give evergreen promotions as well in digital marketing or particular niche where we are going to promote your products and services. Then it is Instagram stories that we used to give, short 15 seconds stories you can give about your products and services, whatever you're going to promote. Don't forget to give a hashtag and the @ of symbol to mention you with your main account. There is Instagram story, share limited time discount codes you can share. Suppose this you can see in the picture over here. There is a Labor Day flash sale starting early. Suppose early bid discount is going on. Share on Instagram this side of post. Swipe up to avail this discount. So it is very essential and it's very important also, and it's a big motivator for the people to come and to see your website as well. So you can share Instagram stories. Then events, when you're going to attend any events, you can show this is the events in your stories that people will more likely to get about you. You know, this person is going to attend this sort of event, he must know something, so I must follow him. So these all things are very essential, and they're small things but they're very essential. Instagram stories tell your followers where they can meet up with you in personal, as I have said in the previous video, behind the scenes, and score some real life FaceTime with you. And you can give these pictures as well, like you can see in this picture as well. Tomorrow let us out podcast meeting up plus live recording is there. So this sort of things you can share in your stories of Instagram. Instagram stories is a great place to remind people where and where can you they can find you. It's very essential. At the last, it's Instagram stories. It is cross promote. You have to cross promote your products and services. You have to cross promote. Means suppose, what is cross promotion? Means suppose I have been seeing your stories for a long amount of time and you are not sharing something good, then I will basically unfollow you. But if I'm going to share something really something valuable, then cross promotion will occur. You have to cross promote your services and products. Then tagging, you have to tag people. Suppose you are with a particular person B and I am there as a person A, I will tag that particular person B in it. It's very essential of tagging. And personality, did we mention personality? Your personality must enhance the last. Suppose your personality is only not there, then I'm not going to follow you. You must have a positive impact as well. So the creation of personality is very essential. Personal brand building is very essential for your Instagram to uphold your business skills. So this is all about Instagram marketing. I hope that you're going to like this video. If you like it, please do subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram as well for more updates regarding Instagram marketing and digital marketing stuffs. Thank you. Have a great day.